Alright everybody, we are talking about boundaries now. Real quick on the blurb, I actually just pulled some information from Anne Catherine. She wrote a book called Boundaries, and it's called Where You End and Where I Begin, so I always want to give credit to that, and the link will definitely be in the outline for the YouTube. But just a couple different things. We're thinking about boundaries and balance this month and making sure that we set up certain structures for our life that are healthy and good for us and leaving out the negativity. So I just wanted to read a couple things and let you guys know to focus on these and let me know what you think. Either put it down on my YouTube in the comments or send me an email. That link is shane.presswood@inspirationsensations.org. Website coming up this Friday. Identify the need to set a boundary. Do it clearly, preferably without anger, and in as few words as possible. So when you want to set a boundary and you want to stop something, you stop it. You say, I'm not going to allow this anymore. This is it. I'm doing it to myself. Don't justify it. Don't apologize or anything like that. Set the boundary and move the heck on. You can't set a boundary and take care of other people's feelings at the same time. It's just not going to work. So you got those friends that are just not working out, or those coworkers that are just, they're always constantly like bringing you down or like pulling you in a different direction. For one, you shouldn't be letting them have that power over you. Two, you got to set that boundary. Remain professional, remain whatever, and just move forward. If there are friends that actually disrespect your boundaries, then you need to make sure that you let them know. Like, it's either going to be like this, or you're going to like be kicked to the curb. Kick rocks, whatever you want to call it. Anxiety, low self-esteem, all that stuff can affect boundaries. Don't send mixed messages. When you want to set a boundary, when you want to have a goal and you want to get things done, and somebody's crossing over that line, it is your job to stop them from doing it by not allowing it to happen. So that's all for tonight. I'm kind of tired today, so look forward to next Monday for the next Boundaries and Balance series video. Have a good night, everybody. Peace.